feeling like a man lately. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a hair tutorial for you guys. As you guys know, I love doing crochets on my channel, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you guys are wondering how I got this beautiful look going on, you guys, it is all thanks to Trendy Tresses, y'all. I will be reviewing their hair today. So this is the Trendy Tresses Island Curls, y'all. It comes in the color T1B/number 33. You guys can see it starts off as a beautiful 1B natural color, and then it just ombres into the beautiful number 33. Y'all, I am feeling it. I am obsessed. I am in love. So if you guys want to see how I accomplished this particular look, let's jump right into it. All right guys, so I'm gonna get started with the crochet braids. So I'm not doing anything unique as far as the braids, y'all. I'm just pretty much gonna be doing straight backs. That's the easiest way to do it in my opinion, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm not going to braid this all the way down because I'm going to be attaching this to the next braid. I'm just going to braid it till about here. Y'all, I think my hair is growing. I think my hair is growing back, y'all. So when I get like halfway in the braid, I'm going to take this loose braid from the first one and just connect it up here. As you guys can see, it's connected. And then we'll do the same thing with this one, just braiding it about 1/3 of the way down or half of the way down, and then I'm going to connect it to the third one, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to insert the latch hook, you guys. I'm going to attach the hair on the latch hook, and then I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to put the hair here, pull it through, and tighten it. So for this, because the hair is so big and poofy, you don't need to have them like super close. You can like separate them by 1 inch because the hair will cover it. This hair is also very silky, but I do like how it feels. It feels nice and soft. As I said, you can do it both ways. You can either separate them before, or you can separate them after you install each section of hair. But you know, for me, I'm just going to separate each of these into 3 sections and put it into my hair. I also love that this starts out black and then it kind of ombres into brown so that it can, you know, look natural. And then for this, I am doing the invisible part. So instead of putting both of them through the loop, I'm just going to put one side through the loop and pull it. You can do a double knot if you like, but a single knot is just as fine as well.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up. We finna go
And if you want to do a double knot, you just crisscross it and put one side through the loop twice.
Try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company?
Alright y'all, so I am done installing the hair. I only used 3 packs of hair, you guys, so I have 4 packs left. I got 7 packs in all. So y'all, it is so full, so we're gonna have to definitely shape it up, but I am feeling the color. I think it looks really nice on my complexion. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. It's a lot of hair, so I'm gonna start cutting. Alright y'all, I'm going to finish it up in the bathroom and I'll be back with the final results. Alright guys, so I am back and these are the final results of my hair. As you guys can see, I did go ahead and cut it because it was a lot of hair, so we had to tone it down a little bit. But y'all, I am obsessed, especially with the color, you guys. Like, this is my color. This is my color. This number 33, yeah, it's for me. It was made for me. So yeah, y'all, I am feeling it. I love it. I love the length. I love the color. I love the volume. Like, it's literally what I was looking for. I did go ahead and I added some even edge control on my edges just to give me a more polished look. But y'all, that is it for the style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share my videos. Comment down below what you're feeling about this style. And also comment down below if there's any other hairstyles that you'd like to see me do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.